Hey, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Obviously, this is our dyno room. We have one of our 460 stroker Fords on here, yielding 521 inches. These engines are available many different ways with different oil pans. Custom paint is available. This is a beautiful cobalt blue paint job that Doug sprayed up a couple days ago on here. Just a gorgeous engine. Blocks get fully remachined to our specifications. Brand new Ford's rotating assemblies. You can get a March pulley system on here. That's a cost upgrade, of course. But this engine features performance aluminum cylinder heads, either Edelbrock or AFRs, fully rollerize stainless rocker arms, custom ground camshafts, MSD billet distributors, your choice of plug wire colors. Air gap intakes is the most common build that we use. And we either use a Holley 750 or the XP series carburetors, either 750s or 850s, depending on the horsepower range of the motor. This particular bad boy right here is going in an F250 pickup, and she just got done making 608 horsepower or 638 foot-pounds of torque. So how's that for your custom crate engine there? You can't find a bad boy like this in too many places. That's why we're #1 in the country. We think we're #1 probably all over the world. Check us out on our website, customcrateengines.com by Proformance Unlimited, or give us a call, 800-267-3940. Check us out. You want a great engine? We're your source for it. Everybody have a good day out there.
Beautiful.